Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about the MRT new product, that is MRT Ultra version 3. Before that we have MRT Express, then MRT Ultra version 1, then 2. Now it is coming Ultra version 3, that is a new card that they have developed and start selling in China market. After research and development they will introduce this card to the local users in India or abroad also. But it may come in March end. So what is this MRT Ultra version 3 card? We will see in here. So MRT, what is the first MRT? MRT is used to repair the hard disk, to recover the data from the damaged hard disk, firmware issues that we are doing this task with the help of MRT. So MRT new card, it is introduced like this. What is the difference? So here is a 4-port. Here they have added 2-port power and 2-port Sata. And here you have see the power supply. The power supply is not Molex, not SATA, not Molex. It is something PCI E 3-port, 6-port cable. This is new cable. Older it will come normal SATA cable here, power supply, but in the new they have given the new motherboard. So here we required the SMPS good quality, which has a 3-port PCI 6 cable. So this will be available at the end of March. This one card come to us for research and development. We are doing testing of these cards. So whatever the problem we can see it, but this is in Chinese. So we are doing research. So this is your MRT Ultra version 3. It's required this type of power, that is a PCI E 6 pin SMPS connector. We require 2 or 3 pin like this. Here is a 2-port SATA and 2-port SATA cable and power cable. Here 4-port like this supply is there. The MRT Ultra version 6-port power and SATA, we require 3 PCI E6 pins SMPS connection for powering, 3 device D2D cloning. We can at a time 3 hard disks we can make a cloning at a time. Futurely Nvme will support with an extension card. New software version with more support features, 12 month. Now they have expanded the EMI. First only repair version is 12 month and repair plus recovery there is an 18-month EMI. And its price is also changed. So this is a software version, but it will be available after 10-15 days when they have completed the upgradation. To introduce to card, old card, first there is an MRT Express, that is a 2-port. If user don't have a 2-match case, they can buy the MRT Express, currently available in the market, online or offline version, and repair and full version, both version. Then they introduced the MRT Ultra version 1, that is a 4-port SATA and 4-port port PATA 1 PATA connection. This is old card. This currently till now it is available. We have only 1 or 2 piece in stock, but MRT stopped production this card also. So now it is not available. We have only 1 or 2 card, that is an offline or online. Offline mode we have 2 card ready. This is MRT Ultra version. Next they have introduced MRT Ultra version 2. That is they remove the ID connection and they put 2 power supply additional. That is the difference. But this is also they already stopped from 2024. They stopped selling these things. They stopped from 2025 and introduced the new card, that is MRT Ultra version 3. So this is your MRT Ultra version 3. Now in the market it will available only version 3. If any have an old stock, they will sell version 1 or 2 or MRT Express. MRT Express and version 3 is available. Version 3 is a 6-port hard disk. So at a time you can run 6 hard disks. So it is very good, because in our lab also we require 3 MRT, that is already 4 and 4 port are occupied. So if one MRT also occupy the 6 card, but in this we require the high-end machines, power supplies and all those things you require. So these are your MRT Ultra card. So what is a key? You can check this on the website also. They have given the list of supported models. Here they have upgraded the support, what they have added here. So this you can see that's link 374 nodes. Here they have given the card, what is they have make a difference. what type of card, what the supported models, all those things they have listed here. You can check here. What they have make an advantages, what is the WD, Western Digital Hitachi unlock support, Data Explorer, some more added function added. So these all will be there. This is their news, what the new card support. So we already mentioned this there on the website. So what they have added? They have added the power consumption chart. This power consumption chart means 12 watt how much consumed to desktop hard disk and 5 watt how much consumed. It will show the chart. So we have a 8 port like that we can consume here. I will show you some next videos. I will run the software and I will show you all these things. So this is your chart of 6 port. Some more SMR drives I also added in this. SMR drives added, some Seagate models, families they are supporting, and main WD HGSC 12 TB, 18 TB also supported here also. Basic function they are supported. Next video, next we have a MRT advanced booking start. If you want to book the MRT Ultra version 3, when it will be released from MRT, we will start selling it. Just now only one card we are for the testing purpose we are. After testing purpose completed, we start selling. We are the reseller of MRT card in India. If you want the MRT card, we can buy from us. If you want support also or online training, you can buy the online training also. So this is our we are providing an online training. If you want to understand how to use MRT card deeply and also to know how to repair and recover of the different cases, you can buy our online and offline course. You can buy our online case studies also of WD and Seagate. We have too many case studies. What we are doing a case, we have recorded. So you will get the case studies also. So if you want to register, you can contact us. Next video we will show unboxing of MRT Ultra version 2 and how to install the card, how to connect the cable and all those that thing we will show you. And next furtherly we will show you how to use the MRT card, basic idea. If you want to learn and if you want to set up the whole setup, data recovery lab setup, you can take this card also. If your budget problem, then you can go to MRT Express also. Okay. So next continue, I will show you how to dismantling the MRT card and what is the coming with the MRT card version 3 and how to install the MRT card. Further next videos also we will show you about some cases about what we are using the MRT card. So if you want to do the online course, offline course, you can join us. If you want to do the offline course, we have a new batch from 30 March. Very deeply new syllabus with the new topics and with the new case studies. We have started from the 30 March of 2026. So you can book the online course. You can book for the offline course and start the online course and come for the 30 March. So if you want to enroll about with the new card training also, you can join to our offline and online class. Okay. Continue watching my unboxing videos. Thank you.